everybody, beloved Christmas here. Today's video is on peanut butter balls. I'm going to have my mom come over here so she can give you a little history about our family's recipe, if she wants to. Otherwise, she could just tell me it's a secret. I don't know what she's doing.
I really don't have a clue where my mother came up with the recipe. All I know is that one year for Christmas, she decided that we were making peanut butter balls. And I was probably in my teens. Okay, and I know that it became a big family project where we were all rolling balls and we were all dipping them in the chocolate and...
You know, and I've now been making them myself my entire life. I remember being like 7, 8 years old, sitting at the kitchen table up to my elbows in peanut butter, having a wonderful time.
Well, you can't do it without getting your hands in it.
No, absolutely. And I probably would have quit about 3 years ago if it wasn't for Kevin. I think I'm going to stop. And he literally, I thought he was going to cry. He said, no, you can't. So I have not stopped, and now I hide treats in them every once in a while.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this year's got some caramel M&ms stuffed deep in the center. If you get one with a little blue dot, it's got an M&M in it.
Okay.
Yeah. I didn't give any of those to Dad.
He would have liked them.
No one. Now for the peanut butter filling, you're going to need 2 pounds of peanut butter, 1 pound of butter, and 2 pounds of powdered sugar. Quick note about your peanut butter. If your local market does not carry it in 1 pound containers, make sure to weigh it out. Thankfully, my supermarket up the street carries it in 1 pound containers, so I don't have to measure it. It's already measured for me, and that's really nice. Now we mix. Right now we're just mixing together the peanut butter and the butter. I'm going to incorporate the two together really well and add some air into the mixture. It looks really kind of funny, doesn't it? And here is the peanut butter and the butter being incorporated together. We will add the sugar next in sections. Now the butter is all incorporated and it's really got this nice lighter color to it. You can see the difference between the peanut butter and the peanut butter with the butter inside of it. Made it really fluffy and ooh, this is gonna be good. Now we're gonna add in the powdered sugar a little bit at a time, but like the peanut butter, if you don't have it weighed out for you by packaging from the store already, make sure to weigh it out. So this is a 2 pound bag, so I don't have to weigh anything. Okay, that's it with the whole bag in there. I'm going to scrape this out and I'm going to stick it in the fridge. And tomorrow I will roll it into balls. Okay, we've had our peanut butter ball filling in the refrigerator overnight, and now we are scooping it into, I think this is 1 ounce size balls. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, whatever the smallest you have. This is about the size you want it. About the size of a ping pong ball, a little smaller. $100 peanut butter balls in the fridge overnight. Tomorrow we will dip them. Now we melt 1 bag of chocolate chips to a half a cake of paraffin wax, and this will make the chocolate really fluid and shiny. Big thing is, because we're working with chocolate, we need to keep it warm, not hot. We need to make sure that all of the pans, spoons, everything we're using is clean and free of water, and that during this process not a single drop, no steam, no water at all gets in this pan. Otherwise it's going to seize up and we're going to have a block of useless chocolate. Okay, now our chocolate is all melted and we're going to start dipping. Now it is time to dip our peanut butter balls. Now the important thing to remember is to make sure that they are cold. Because if you don't make sure that they are cold, the peanut butter is going to melt into your chocolate and your chocolate is going to seize. And that will be the end of that batch and you'll have to start all over again. So we will check back in after we get through this mess.
Congratulations, and thank you for being always feeding racism. Your friend Holly would be incredibly $900. Nice job. right now. I get canceled today. First day.
Meow.
Blade and Piano, 18 reviewer, and Charlton Roder. Thank you very much for the £5. Respectfully, I really appreciate that, Conrad.
Hi, honey. You done yelling at me now?
What are your critiques of the DSA?
Hmm?
But they can suck ESA's nuts. ESA nuts.
I have no idea why I'm listening to this. I should have
Powerful
changed
mouse
it.
mark is new bike, you know, that is true.
Whatever.
Thank you very much.
I'm not even listening to him. He's just
You've all
talking.
been very good, okay?
What do you want? Like, Mommy, I want a snack. Why are you not feeding me? Because I'm not feeding you for another 15 minutes. And you can just forget it.
Do it for you. Yvonne Jacob Lopez, Ben Packenberg, and Brian Goodman, thank you very much for $5 all. Really appreciate that, Conrad. Oh, Hyena, are you watching right now? I was thinking of maybe going a little bit over. Hold Comey, thank you very much for incredibly $20. What's the best way to respond to those molesting and bite and fascists? Quickly bite down on a cyanide tablet, okay? It's already too late, you're too close to them, you've already been infected. Oh, Hyena, I think I might be going a little bit over. Time-wise. Jason, Love Girl, and Juwon, thank you all very much for the incredibly kind $5. This song translates to a word in English. I feel kind of weird calling people words in any context. I just think a lot of lefties like the bite of the term persona. I don't know, it's a little weird. Saki Tanuki with the 2 consecutive $20 donations. That is
Okay, after dipping them, I put them in the freezer to get their chocolate hard real quick. And now I am putting them into this container in the fridge. And they will be boxed up later. Yay! And there they are, ready to go. And of course I made cocoa bombs this year. It's 2020. Cocoa bombs are trendy this year. For more Christmas content like this, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Thank you.